Hi, my name is Jessica Villota, and today is answer the following question. First question is, who's your girlfriend? How did you meet? My girlfriends, well, at the moment they are two friends who attack a lot and now we are not together because of the pandemic and because of our job. But that does not mean that we know very close. Second question is how many friends do you have on social networks? In my social network, I had approximately four 400 friends. Since I do not give confirmation to everyone, I like my privacy. Third question is who were your friends when you were grown up? Um, when I was little, my friends were my classmates on neighborhood with who I played. They change a lot over time. For question is, do you have any friends that had exciting lives playing why? Mm, the most of my friends are teachers. I think it's exciting how discovering the world with the students and some life in the zone of armed conflict. I think that is exciting and very different for wars profession. Bye, thank you.